Hey y'all, I have a cool, I don't know, tip, trick, something I bought, and gonna see if it works. Last time I cleaned this thing, I jacked it up, took just the hose, not even the power washer, just the hose and a stick, and it still took me about an hour and a half. And you can see what's built up. See what all I can show you. You can see quite a bit's in there, right? All right, check this out. So, thanks to the internet, there's this 13-inch under car cleaner, and we're gonna give this a shot. This way, I shouldn't have to lift the deck or anything. I can just hook this up to the power washer, and let's do it. So let's see how this goes. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. So, assembled. I'm guessing this is a little tool to clean out the jets if anything gets clogged, so I'm gonna hang on to that. And now I'm gonna hook it up and we'll get some pressure going and we'll get it hooked up. All right, here it is. I didn't need that other extension that came with it. This log is long enough. That's really good. All right. Let's go to work. Okay, get go over there. Oh, there we go. Let's see. All right. I'm liking this already. We should have started a clock. Super loud over there. All right, you guys saw what was right here at this opening. I like this. All right, we're all done. Let's take a look. Get down here. Got my sunglasses on so it's hard to see the screen. Okay. So how about that? Get this in here. That is clean. All right. So use that. Don't worry about getting a stick and jacking it up and just all the pain in the butt kind of stuff that's going to make you have to do. Yeah, get that little 13-inch under car attachment. You're ready to go.